National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Comanche County in southwestern Oklahoma, northern Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, southwestern Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, southeastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, Cotton County in southwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Carter County in southern Oklahoma, northwestern Clay County in northern Texas until 1:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:01 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles southwest of Geronimo to 4 miles southeast of Temple to 3 miles southwest of Petrolia, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Duncan, Marlow, Walters, Waurika, Healton, Comanche, Geronimo, Bray, Ringling, Temple, Petrolia, Velma, Byers, Dean, Foster, Tatums, Hastings, Loco, Ratliff City, and Addington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.